Hey, I thought I'd unbox this in front of the camera. It's quite cool. I ordered it on Kickstarter. I didn't expect it to come until next year, but I was like, what's that package? I didn't have a clue what it was, but it's got this little earth symbol, and I don't know what's in there. I've already pre-cut it. Here's the box. It's a puzzle with high and low, planetary gear, difficult. Says there it's 130 pieces, 16.5 centimeter diameter, and then a little bit about, I think they do all the planets and the moon for this Kickstarter thing. It exceeded its expectations way before it was even due to finish. Oh wow, look at that. Look at these pieces. Like, that's amazing quality. It looks like it's just made out of a tree, look. And it's different. Yes, I guess that's the earth side, and then that's the wood side. I guess it's just been 3D cut, but they look really cool. Definitely going to be hard. There's one little elephant. A whale. What else we got? A leaf, tree, or something. It's amazing to think all these pieces are going to fit together somehow and then create a circle of the world. Well, little plane. This is crazy good. This is worth the money. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I mean, it was quite expensive for a puzzle, but I've never seen anything of this. I've never seen a puzzle at this quality before. I mean, it's probably, like I said, it's laser cut, but they just feel, it feels really like, it just looks so vivid, and I can't wait to do this. Let's see what's in the other thing. I think I ordered a stand, or no, somewhere to put it. Like, is it a stand? Oh yeah, look, you can there you go. It can hang up on the wall, be a piece of art. I should definitely do another video of me trying to do it. It might be pretty long though, because it's. I saw a video of someone, I think it was Mr. Puzzle, doing this. I think you picked the sun one. I think it was, and that one's obviously, because it's the sun, it's bigger. These ones are the medium ones, and moon is the smallest. So I thought I'd get something in the middle, but the sun one took something like over 8 hours to complete, I think. It has similar like pieces, all the different shapes and sizes. I guess you just have to sort of find the smooth sort of edges first and then work inwards, but a very, very interesting puzzle. I'm not going to open that just yet because it looks like it's got like plastic and to get out. It's until I've done it, it's not worth it really. Yeah, so that's it right there. Like I said, most of it's wood, as you can see. But these pieces are made of, I don't know, PVC or polycarbonate or something. Very, very hard, but I guess it just, maybe when you hang it up, some of the light can shine through it or something. Perhaps these are mainly the ocean pieces. I was just trying to see if there's any other interesting shapes. This is a submarine, I think. This piece is very weird because what goes in the middle, I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's an elephant. Yeah, I think every single piece is unique, which... Ah, look, I could have found a piece already. That definitely would have to fit in. So I'll just get that there. Yeah, look. How that fits so... Look how well that fits in there like that. Yeah, I'm very happy I bought this. I think it was a really good price for what I paid. I can't remember. If I put this on YouTube, I'll put it on the comments or something. But it's probably a lot cheaper than what it's gonna be if when it comes out in the shops. Because I'm sure this should come out in the shops because this is top sort of quality puzzle, you know. And it's nothing like I've ever seen ever. I've never seen a circular puzzle with pieces all this different, you know. So yeah, never done an unboxing video before, but I thought I would just show you. There's another bit there I've just seen. Hello Fish composite wooden puzzle. Hello Fish Creative Studio is founded in 2014 in Taiwan by a group of millennials. I can never say that word. Waiting to revolutionise the forgotten art of puzzling. Our creative studio hopes to change that the world thinks of puzzles by combining our long practice manufacturing techniques with our boundless sense of wonder. So yeah, like I said, this was a Kickstarter, and well, yeah, they've made the money big time after it was featured on Mr. Puzzle. I love puzzles myself. Oh, that's their little symbol there, see? And that was a piece like that in the puzzle. Yeah, so I'll end the video there, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, check it out. It's called Pieces of the Galaxy, and you can choose all the planets, the sun, and the moon. I think that's all of them. I think there's something like 13 in total. But yeah. I might do another video or some pictures or something when I've completed it. Alright, thanks. Bye.